Good morning, everybody. First 1 to 5 Meteorologist Melissa Meeder here with you. It is 8 to 10 on our Wednesday morning, and today's going to be another typical summer day out there, and we're on the warm-up. So on Sunday, we were in the 70s. Monday, we were in the lower 80s. Yesterday, we were in the mid-80s, and now we are going to be in the upper 80s today. So as you can see, 89 degrees will be that high temperature today. It will be warm. I technically categorize 90 as hot, 80 as warm. So that's why I'm saying warm, but you know, it can be categorized as hot. We're mainly sunny for our day today. We'll have a light wind southwest around 5 to 10 miles per hour, and humidity will remain comfortable today. That is the key word. Tomorrow, not so much the case. It starts to creep up. Now, we did have some areas of patchy, dense fog out there, mainly towards St. Joseph and Atchison and down towards the southeast, towards Clinton. Those are improving, and I think here shortly, Clinton is really the only place that still has some patchy fog. I think that's going to clear up here shortly, at least within the next 50 minutes or so. Right now it's 72. We've got some high level clouds out there, a southerly breeze around 6 miles per hour. We will continue to warm to around 80 by the time we get to 10. So it's going to be a warmer morning and eventually warmer afternoon. 84 by noon. We're 88 at 2 o'clock. That then leads us to that high temperature today of 89 degrees. Some of us, though, between about 88 and 91. It'll be 91 in St. Joseph, Atchison, Lawrence, 89 in Butler, 90 in Richmond. And we do have, for some of our areas, a isolated chance for a rain shower. That's going to come in the afternoon, mainly along our northern areas and then pushing east. I think if you're going to see anything in our northern areas, it's going to be between about noon and 5, and then 5 and onward along our eastern border. Here in the metro in Kansas City, generally along I-70, we should be remaining dry. And we still have a few more chances for some rain as we go through, the holiday weekend, but it should be a pretty nice day today to be outside. We'll be dry. That UV index will be around 10. So make sure, if you're heading out and about doing anything outside, make sure you're wearing your SPF. Burn time in around 20 minutes. Afternoon, your pool planner looks pretty nice. It's 84 by noon, and then we're in the upper 80s by 4 o'clock. So really nice kind of summer day out there. Lower humidity. Those humidity levels, though, as I mentioned, they're coming back, and that is going to really start once we get to our Thursday. So today we are in the a bit humid range, but honestly, it's going to be the most comfortable we'll be over the next 7 days. So we go into the muggy category Thursday and for 4th of July, and then we flirt with miserable through the weekend and into the start of next week. So for your 4th of July weekend, what do you need to know? Well, it's going to be hot, it's going to be humid, and there are a few small chances for some rain. 90 degrees for your high temperature on Friday. A 20% chance for some isolated rain showers. That looks like it's going to be in the afternoon, maybe the early evening, so we're not expecting that during the fireworks shows. We should be dry. Once we get to your Saturday and Sunday, we're back into the mid to upper 80s, so 89 on Saturday, 87 on Sunday. There will be a 30% chance for some rain and thunderstorm activity, looking like the afternoon to evening right now, but models have kind of been all over the place. Hard to fine-tune the timing of that right now as it is Wednesday, so we should have some more clarity here in the next coming days. And with the heat and the humidity, it'll be easy to probably squeeze out a few pop-up showers and thunderstorms, at least around the area. So when we say 20 to 30% chance, that doesn't mean everybody, of course, is going to see rainfall. So some of us may stay totally dry and we may not see anything at all, or some of us see a passing quick thunderstorm or shower. We will be feeling a little bit closer to the triple digits, though, with the humidity. Feels like temperatures of around 98 will be possible on Friday. Upper 90s still on Saturday, 97, and then we get a little bit of reprieve during the daytime high temperature, our actual temperature around 87 on Sunday. So that is why we remain humid, but it is going to be ever so slightly not as hot. So it feels like temperatures of 95 will be possible for Sunday. If you are going to the Stars and Stripes picnic, here's a kind of track out about that day. I think we have a 20% there through the evening as, preliminary right now. We are not in that short-term model range, the high resolution models. So while we're thinking it still is going to be the afternoon into the early evening, we want to make sure at this point that we're prepared, and therefore we'll have more details on how long that rain chance will hang around by this afternoon, and of course by tomorrow because it's Thursday. So just hot, humid day. And then as we go into that 7-day forecast, the 90s are no more, at least after Thursday and Friday. As you could see, we're in the upper 80s for the weekend, mid 80s on Monday and Tuesday. Really starting tomorrow through Tuesday, there's a small chance for rain just about each day. The heat, humidity will add to that potential. So I just want to throw out a few kind of fun statistics here for your 4th of July. Well, the hottest was 108 degrees in 1936. The coolest low temperature that we've seen is 54 in 1997. And then our rainiest was in 1984, where they just saw over 3.5 inches. I will note that how common is, a 90 or hotter temperature on the 4th of July? Well, it happens about 38% of the time. So not, of course, out of the question, almost near, half the time. So it gets hot. It's hot this time of year. Make sure everybody's staying hydrated over the course of the next couple of days because things are going to get hot. Things are going to get humid from here on out. So that's the latest I've got for you today. And I hope everybody still enjoys the kind of lower humidity we're going to have today, and then has a safe and fun 4th of July holiday weekend. Of course, I'll be back tomorrow morning, so I'll be in here to chat with you guys then. But I hope everybody has a great day today.